Have you ever considered where the animal world's big dogs are? We all know about big cats like lions, tigers, leopards, and sometimes cheetahs or cougars. But what about big dogs? It's almost like they don't exist today. Big cats are found all over the world and are top predators on different continents. They have been around for millions of years, since the late Miocene period, which was about 6 million years ago. But a long time ago, there were giant dogs that roamed the earth, ruling various areas with their size and strength. Big cats are not the only fierce predators out there. The canidae family, which includes dogs, has members like wolves, coyotes, foxes, and our pet dogs. These canids are found worldwide too, but they are usually smaller than big cats. The largest wild canid today is the grey wolf, which is about the same size as the snow leopard, the second smallest big cat. This makes us wonder, where did all the big dogs go? The simple answer is that they are extinct. However, a long time ago, there were giant canids that thrived and dominated different parts of the earth. Among these ancient giants, the most powerful and fearsome was the Epicyon, the largest canid ever. Despite its enormous size, you probably haven't heard much about this prehistoric creature because it doesn't get much attention in the media. Yet, paleontologists have known about the Epicyon for over 160 years since its first remains were found in Nebraska, USA. At first, the broken lower jaw of Epicyon, which looked like a wolf's jaw, led scientists to think it was a type of Canis, the genus that includes wolves. But as more remains were discovered, they realized this creature was different from any wolf. Complete skulls showed that Epicyon had a unique head shape. Its large premolars and strong jaw were more like those of a lion or hyena than a wolf. Even though it had a wolf-like body, these features made Epicyon stand out as a distinct canid. Epicyon's unusual skull traits, like the big premolars and strong jaw, connected it to the Borophaginae, a subfamily of the Canidae family. This subfamily, known for its powerful teeth, strong jaws, and extra toes, lived in prehistoric North America for over 15 million years. The Borophaginae included species ranging from smaller than a fox to giants like Epicyon. The name Epicyon means more than a dog, reflecting its huge size. The Borophaginae, including Epicyon, were incredible creatures that dominated their environment. They were built to be strong predators with their powerful jaws and teeth. The Epicyon, in particular, was a true giant among canids. Imagine a dog larger and more powerful than a modern wolf, with a head structure that could crush bones with ease. This was the reality of the ancient world where Epicyon roamed. Epicyon lived in a time when North America was filled with a variety of large mammals. It had to compete with other predators and scavengers for food. Its massive size and powerful jaws gave it an advantage, allowing it to take down large prey and crack open bones to get at the nutritious marrow inside. This ability made Epicyon a top predator of its time. Despite their success, the Borophaginae eventually went extinct. Changes in the environment and competition from other predators likely played a role in their disappearance. However, their legacy lives on in the fossil record, giving us a glimpse into a world where giant dogs once ruled. In conclusion, while we might not have big dogs today, the fossil record shows that they once existed and were formidable predators. The Epicyon, with its unique characteristics and enormous size, stands out as a remarkable example of these ancient canids. So, the next time you think about the animal kingdom, remember that there was a time when giant dogs roamed the earth, leaving a lasting mark on the history of life on our planet. There were 3 species of Epicyon: Epicyon haydeni, Epicyon civis, and Epicyon elurodontoids. While E. civis and E. elurodontoids were smaller and more slender, they were still sizable, often weighing twice as much as an adult German Shepherd. However, it was E. haydeni that truly earned the title of a giant. Mature individuals of E. haydeni measured up to 7.9 feet in length and stood 35 inches tall at the shoulder, comparable to a grizzly bear in length and a deer in height. These dimensions resulted in an average weight of 220 to 276 pounds, heavier than a leopard and comparable to large jaguars. Some exceptional individuals even weighed around 370 pounds, rivaling medium-sized lions. Epicyon size enabled it to tackle larger prey than most other canids, both extinct and extant, but its size was not its only weapon. Epicyon possessed a devastating bite, enhanced by its large canines and robust jaw muscles. Estimates suggest that its bite force may have surpassed 16,000 newtons, comparable to that of large American alligators. This immense power allowed Epicyon to pierce through the skin, flesh, and bones of various animals, likely delivering fatal bites to vulnerable parts such as the neck, head, or spine. Epicyon's teeth and habitat tell us a lot about what it ate. This ancient dog dined on camels, pronghorns, horses, peccaries, and even big rhinos like Teleoceras. These rhinos could grow up to 13 feet long and weigh nearly 2 tons. To tackle such large prey, Epicyon probably hunted in packs. This idea makes sense because almost all studied members of the dog family show social behavior. Many of them hunt together in groups. The fossils of Epicyon show that it was one of the top meat-eaters in North America during the Miocene period. Being so successful is usually a sign of social animals that work together. Epicyon's body wasn't built for long chases but for short bursts of speed. This means living and hunting in packs would have helped it catch prey more effectively. Even if Epicyon hunted alone, it would have done well by going after slower, larger animals that other predators might avoid. Epicyon was a versatile hunter, adapting to different types of prey and environments. It roamed across varied landscapes like woodlands, grasslands, and wetlands. Its ability to eat both plants and animals helped it survive in times when prey was scarce. By being flexible with its diet, Epicyon could find food in many different places. This adaptability was a key factor in its widespread presence during the Miocene. Living in packs would have also provided protection from other predators. Working together, they could defend their kills and territory from rivals. This cooperation made them formidable hunters and survivors. Even in harsh climates, their social structure would have helped them endure and thrive. However, the changing climate eventually became too much for Epicyon. As temperatures dropped and the environment became drier, their habitats changed. Despite their adaptability, these changes likely made it harder for them to find food and survive. This led to their eventual extinction, ending the reign of one of North America's top predators. Another unique trait of Epicyon was its bone-crushing ability. Along with its strong bite, Epicyon had specialized premolars and thickened molars that were short, pyramid-like in shape, and wide at the base, resembling the teeth of hyenas, known for their bone-eating behavior. This similarity led paleontologists to believe that Epicyon likely shared this trait. Fossilized feces containing large amounts of bone further support this idea, suggesting that Epicyon scavenged large animals and made the most of every kill by accessing the nutritious bone marrow. During tough times, eating bones would have been a smart move for Epicyon. This ancient dog lived in North America during the Miocene, a period with shifting climates. These changes created many challenges for the ecosystems it inhabited. Besides crushing bones, Epicyon's teeth allowed it to eat a variety of foods, including fruits, tough plants, vegetables, and even small animals. This flexible diet is similar to some modern canids, like the maned wolf, which gets over half its calories from plants. Thanks to its adaptable diet, Epicyon spread across large parts of what is now the United States and southern Canada. Fossils of Epicyon have been found in more than 10 states, in habitats like woodlands, savannas, grasslands, wetlands, cave systems, and edge environments. These areas were home to many other animals, including mammals like Amphicyon, Barbarophellis, and Elurodon, as well as reptiles like alligators, crocodiles, rattlesnakes, and turtles. Even though Epicyon was successful and adaptable, it eventually disappeared. Scientists are still figuring out why. For a long time, it was thought that the arrival of giant cats in North America led to Epicyon's extinction. However, many of these large cats appeared after Epicyon was already gone. This has led to the more widely accepted idea that climate change played a major role. A drop in global temperatures and increased dryness likely caused significant changes in North America's ecosystems, ultimately leading to Epicyon's extinction. Did you know the dire wolf wasn't a real wolf? Like and subscribe for more.